Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up SSH so that you can push your files to GitHub. So first of all, open a terminal window if you do not have one open already. Then type the following. Type SSH dash keygen. Then press enter. Now it will ask you the directory in which you would like to save the SSH key. Just press enter for this. If you want a passphrase, enter a passphrase, or else do not give anything and then press enter. Now you get this random thing. This means that your SSH key generation has been successful. Now clear the terminal and then use the cat command to display the SSH. Type cat dot slash SSH dot slash dot SSH slash ID underscore RSA dot PUB. Now copy the whole thing including SSH RSA sub account and then click on your profile and then go to settings. Now go to SSH and GPG keys. Now click on new SSH key. Give a title for your SSH key. As I'm creating this SSH key for CS50 CodeSpaces, I'm giving that as a title. And then paste your SSH key. Now click on add new SSH key. And then now type a GitHub password and then click on confirm password. Your SSH key has been successfully added. Now you can push files through GitHub without any issue. Enjoy programming.